You're listening to Mentoring Developers. Software shops, IT departments, companies, startup companies, all these companies that are looking to hire new developers, perhaps out of school, right out of college, or perhaps, junior developers. Do you have any advice for them?
The big thing is the resume, it never really aligns to the individual. I don't know what we can do as an industry to kind of resolve that. There's some really great, talented people that may have just not had the opportunity to work. I think hiring and talking to people with less experience, every organization needs to be doing that. And we, as a company, you shouldn't be just looking to hire someone that's 10, 20 years. There's a breath of fresh air that comes with someone that is new in the business world. And as I said, like even through the mentoring program, it allows you that opportunity to help someone else, to mentor them. And in reality, sometimes they could be a lot better than our most senior people, fresh eyes, not stale, those types of things. But being open to bring in new people. And I think the industry is starting to get that. You used to see a lot of times like 7 to 8 years of experience, worked in like 2 different companies in this role. And it's like that stuff doesn't really matter. What matters is if you're good, if you're passionate. So hire passionate people, look for in years of experience doesn't really matter, nor does the resume.
Yeah, and Scott Hanselman talks about the 10-year developer experience, or a person with 10 years of experience, but they have the first year repeated 10 times versus somebody else who's actually have the depth of and the breadth of experience because they have kept themselves abreast of new technologies and they keep trying and push the envelope. So no two people are alike, and don't put people in boxes. I think that would be my advice.
Yes, that's definitely great advice.
Thank you so much for listening.
For show notes and transcripts, visit us at mentoringdevelopers.com.